Alright, so one tip I have for you when you're sewing the bag lining on is you want to make sure that you are stitching into a stitch on the inner side of the purse and not on the outer side, because you don't want any of your sewing stitches to show up on the crocheted side, the outer side. So what I'm doing here is I'm going into the little back stitch. And that's, if you see the little V stitches on top, this is going to be the back stitch inside. And once you go into the back stitch, you'll notice you cannot see it at all from the front. So go into the back stitch and then poke out into the bag here. I'm using yarn instead of thread, so it's kind of bulky. And as you pull through, there you go. We'll go through into one of the stitches in the back again. So back here again, let me show you the front here. You are not going to see any of my white yarn that I'm using for sewing on this side. And we keep going in this fashion.